Garden State Hearing and Balance is a premier hearing and balance center offering the highest standard of personal attention and professional services. Our highest priority is the health and well-being of our patients and employees. This is why we closely follow guidance on COVID-19 from the CDC and the New Jersey Department of Health. Many of our patients are among the most vulnerable to coronavirus and also the flu, so we have a strong commitment to infection control at our centers. All of our staff and providers wash their hands frequently for 20 seconds before and after cleaning hearing aids and interacting with patients. Hand sanitizer is placed throughout the office for patients and employees to use. We have also implemented the following protocols. We have installed 2 UV light HVAC filtration systems in our main Toms River office. Masks are required when entering all offices. Curbside services will be available in our Toms River and Manahawkin offices. Thermal temperature checks will be taken. All patients will complete a COVID-19 screening questionnaire. Our staff will also pre-screen when confirming appointments. Magazines have been removed from our waiting rooms to prevent the transport of germs. Coffee and tea will not be available. If you need a drink of water, one of our staff will provide you with a clean cup for use. We have instructed staff and providers to stay home if they are not feeling well. If you are not feeling well or have a fever, cough, or shortness of breath, do not come in and please call to reschedule your appointment. We urge patients to avoid dropping in and instead call to schedule an appointment. This reduces the number of people in our waiting rooms. You can also have a healthy loved one bring your hearing aids to the office for a cleaning. At Garden State Hearing and Balance Center, we are committed to keeping you safe and hearing your best, especially in this time when communication is so critical. So, don't hesitate to call our office if you have any questions or need additional accommodations. We hear you and we are here for you.